Forse Wisame di Suante a quelle per un sitalio.
Ye isu si kong se di kana si suan tiak tiam le Philippines si suan tiak tiam le Tiongkok choi seng di ding Tiongkok masih uhat lang yakut latte choi seng di kana si Tiongkok kana si suan tiak Philippines.
Chairman, I'll be allotting, ako ito, Mr. Chairman, I'll be allotting my 2-month salary here in Congress sa mga matitino nating mga kababayan na nandiyan sa Bureau of Immigration na makakapagturo kung paano nakataka si Alice Go using our airports or seaports. Yung 2 buwang sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Ito ang latest update sa kaso kay dating Bamban-Tarlac Mayor Alice Goo na mapasa hanggang ngayon ay mainit pa ring pinag-uusapan dahil sa pagkakaugnay nito sa di umano'y iligal na aktibidad sa ating bansa. Duda ang kampo ni Alice Goo na totoong tao ang lumutang sa isang dokumentaryo sa Al Jazeera na nagsasabing Chinese spy ang dating alkalde. Buwelta nila, baka AI lamang raw ito. Mula sa nakagawi ang kalmado at minsay pangitingiti lang na reaksyon, isang palaban at tila inis na Alice Goo ang sumagot sa House Quad Committee Inquiry nitong Biyernes. Ganyan ang naging reaksyon ni Alice Goo matapos inilabas sa House Quad Committee ang isang documentary foreign media agency sa Al Jazeera. Isinawalat niya ng isa umanong Chinese spy tycoon at self-confessed spy na si CG Jiang na isang Chinese spy si Alice Goo. Ipinakita rin sa video ang listahan umano ng mga state security agent, kabilang dyan si Go Waping o Alice Goo. Agad naman itong pinabulaan ng dating alkalde.
Definitely, hindi pa ako spy. Okay. Relax ka lang. Bakit ka galit? Kasi po, ganun din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko pong Pilipinas, Filipino po ako, hindi po ako spy.
Ayon naman sa legal counsel ni Alice Goo na si Attorney Stephen David, nadala lamang ng takot si Alice Goo kaya nainis ito. Samantala pansamantalang naging interpreter ni Tony Yang sina Alice Goo at Cassandra Leong sa pagdinig sa Kongreso. Nang mahirapan na si Alice at Cassandra, napilitan din siyang magtagalog nang tanungin kung may kaso siya sa China. Dahil dito, nabuking si Tony Yang na mismong galing sa kanyang bibig ang matinding revelasyon niyang ito na nagdala sa kanya sa pagkakakulong sa kanya sa Quezon City Jail. Halina't sabay-sabay nating panuorin at alamin ang videong ito na tiyak na ikakagulat niyo. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Maraming salamat!
Tony Yang, you're still very young. Tony Yang, how old are you now? Saan yung ating interpreter dyan? Ilan taong ka na?
55 or 54.
55, 54.
1970.
Can we have the interpreter here, please? So, I just would like to ask, I don't know. Na-expire na raw yung contract niya. She went out. Pero naiintindihan mo ba yung sinasabi ko? Konti lang, no? Konti lang, no? Ito, tatanungin kita. Kanina, sabi mo na naging maganda ang negosyo mo dahil meron kang nagtrabaho ka, may perseverance ka, may integrity ka. Yun ang sabi mo kanina, di ba? Oo. Bakit dito ka sa Pilipinas nagnegosyo, hindi sa China?
Kasabot ka, Bisaya?
Marunong ba Chinese?
Kasabot ka, Bisaya?
Si Alice Go, pwede makatulong. Can you help? Okay. Ang tanong ko ganito, bakit, sabi niya kasi, kaya gumanda ang kanyang negosyo rito because of hard work, perseverance, and integrity. Ngayon, ang tanong ko ganito, bakit siya nagnegosyo sa Pilipinas, hindi sa China?
当时阮外公叫我来吧。
Mr. Chair, can we hear Alice Go speak in Chinese? Please use the microphone.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pakitanggal mo yung ano mo. Tanggal mo.
Medyo nagkakapit
Walang
ako sa
germs
mic.
dito masyado. Okay, can we hear the answer, please? Can you speak in Chinese and tell him?
Sige po. 英文話說你今日是用菲律賓做生意，唔是用大陸做生意。
因為我來菲律賓阮做年咯，按一位石佬吧，按一位習慣咯石佬吧。
Your Honor, matagal na daw po siya dito sa Pilipinas at nakasanayan na daw po niya dito.
Di kaya nga, ang tanong ko ganito, bakit dito siya sa Pilipinas? Bakit dito sa Pilipinas nagtayo ng negosyo, hindi sa China? Sapagkat sa China, pwede rin siya maging persevering, pwede rin siya magkaroon ng integrity, pwede rin siya magkaroon ng hard work. Bakit dito sa Pilipinas nagtayo ng negosyo, hindi sa China?
伊嘅意思是講說，你敢若是選擇點咧菲律賓，唔是選擇點咧中國做生意。你用中國嘛是有法人也骨力地做生意，敢若唔是用中國，敢若是選擇菲律賓。
因為當時佇中國出來了咯，咱就按水反骨咯吧，按水反骨咯，大家咱也習慣咯吧，生活習慣咯參。
你也有講下那位你直接講。
我袂曉講啊。
Your Honor, ang sabi po niya, nakasanayan na daw po niya dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.
Hindi naman siya Pilipino eh.
Tama ba yun, Kasi?
Iba yung Filipino, Chinese. Hindi naman siya Filipino, Chinese siya eh. Hindi siya naging Filipino, Chinese. Di ba? Tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ayun, tama daw.
Pakitanong nga siya. Saka.
伊講說你唔是呢度唔是菲律賓人，你是中國人。
伊個說若是佇我心內哦，按水反骨咯，我家己都認為，像說咱是菲律賓人咯吧。
Ano sabi? Hindi na kaya. Ano yung kasi? Go ahead.
伊只只是第一問你看說，為什麼你選擇菲律賓唔是大陸？
因為菲律賓這個環境咱習慣咯吧，來反骨咯吧。因為菲律賓ako baka taga lok baka hinay sa bilang. Kasi ako sa dito. Oh.
Mr. Chairman,
Overtime.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Congressman Abate, in the next hearing of the Quadcom, we'll not be asking for an interpreter anymore because Miss Alice Go will do the job for us.
Okay.
Yes, can we have the answer, please?
Oh.
Okay, 继续。Let's continue.
Di bale, sasagutin ko na lang. You tell him sapagkat dito sa Pilipinas, nabibili niya ang ibang opisyal dito ng pera. Meron pa siyang kaso sa China? Meron siyang kaso?
Wala pa.
Kaso. Wala pa daw.
Wala.
Wala kang kaso.
Wala.
Pero mo, alam mo yung kaso.
你在中国没有案件？
沒有啊。他說什麼？
在中國沒有案件。
Kita nyo? Nahuli natin. Marunong mag-Tagalog to, nakakaintindi.
你聽得懂？
Huling-huli.
有些一點懂，有些不懂，有些聽懂說不出來。
Yeah, sometimes I understand, sometimes I don't, and sometimes I cannot express myself.
Yes, oo. Sabi niya wala siyang kaso sa China. Correct.
Yes, 所以
Pero
你在中國沒有案件。
dito may kaso na siya.
但是你在这里有案件，你在这里菲律宾有案件。
什么案件啊？
Anong case daw po? Anong kaso daw po?
Teka, pakisabi nga, Mr. Casio, yung kaso niya. Immigration law. Pakisabi.
Mr. Presentation, so he is now dubbed and he is alleged to be an undesirable alien.
哦，
就是不接受、不欢迎的外国人。你在菲律宾不是不受欢迎的外国人。
Oh. Can you imagine, you have been an undesirable alien for 25 years, but you are able to put up a big business in this country. Niloloko mo kami mga Pilipino. Yun ang ibig sabihin. Pakisabi nga sa kanya, niloloko kami mga Pilipino. Niloloko mo kami. Sabihin mo, alam niya eh. Teka, alam mo, di ba? Niloloko. Alam mo yung niloloko? Kunyari ka pa eh. Niloloko mo ako eh.
你在骗我们菲律宾人，他是这样说。
没有啊，真的没有啊。
No, I didn't. No.
我真的没有骗他们。
I'm not really loco. I'm not the loco.
Hindi ko siyang sabihin, loko-loko siya.
I'm not loco.
Ang ibig sabihin, niloloko niya ang Pilipino. He is making a big fool sa mga Pilipino natin. Pakisaya mo nga sa kanya, please.
你在当我们菲律宾人是白痴，你在骗我们。
没有啊，真的啊，我不知道他怎么这样想我。
I don't know why you're thinking of me in that way.
哈
I don't know why you're thinking of me in that
I don't know why you're here.
他说什么？
我不知道你怎么懂得我刚才说的。他们说你在骗我们菲律宾人。
Kung ako, Mr. Chair, kukumpiskain na lang yung yaman nito at pauwi na sa China ito.
Your group apprehended Tony Yang. Am I right?
This was a joint operation with the
Yes,
Bureau of
I
Immigration,
know.
Your Honor.
But during the apprehension, you were talking with Tony Yang. Am I correct?
Not necessarily. The Bureau of Immigration agents read him his rights, Your Honor.
So, nagkakausap sila? Naridinig niya nag-uusap sila?
Yes, sir. I was there.
So, nakakapagsalita siya ng Tagalog? Naiintindihan niya Tagalog?
Tumatango po siya. Yes.
So, we don't need to interpret anymore kung naiintindihan ni Tony yan. Ikaw, intindihan aming salita? Oo. Naiintindihan mo kasi sumasagot ka eh. Di ba yung kanina when we were talking, I noticed lang Tony Yang. Tony Yang, makinig ka. Kasi kanina lang, may joke si si chairman and you laugh.
他说什么？
刚才我们的主席
alam mo, Tony, ako, artista ako I know who's acting or not Ha? Tony, makinig ka sa akin. Naiintindihan kita. Naiintindihan mo ako, di ba?
Konti.
Okay. So, yung mga salita namin, naiintindihan mo, tumatawa ka, smile ka, sumisimangot ka. Di ba? Kita namin Di ba? And we will be reminding you. Remind namin ikaw. Pag ikaw, hindi sabi totoo dito, ikaw, contempt, kulong dito. Yan.
Okay.
Naiintindihan mo. Huwag mo na kaming pahirapan para mabubilis yung communication. Mr. Tony Yang, we're not here to pin you down. You just tell the truth. When we heard you talking in the Senate, I heard you. Naiintindihan mo Sinasabi mo lahat Sinasabi mo lahat, open ka. So there's no more denying of trying to translate anything anymore. Huwag ka na mag-translator. Intindi mo lang, umuho ka lang, hindi. Ask your lawyer, okay? Intindi?
他说什么？这个我听不清楚。
OK，他们说你只要说出真相，然后其实你不用那个翻译来帮你翻译的，因为你能听得懂他们在说什么，所以你只要回答是还是不是，然后你可以问你的律师，这样就可以吗？
我真的很多听不懂。
There are a lot of things that I cannot understand.
Kasi Tony, 21 years ka, 2001 ka pa dito. 24 years ka nang nakatira dito. Imposibleng hindi mo naiintindihan ang mga sinasabi namin. Di ba? 24 years ka na.
Gusto mo sabihin ko kung ano yung flight number nung eroplano na sinakyan mo dito together with your brother, Ho Jing Yang. Sabay kayo, di ba? Nakasakay sa eroplano, dumating dito sa Pilipinas. Tama, mali? Tama? Okay. Ang galing nito.
Do I translate?
Sige, go ahead.
Okay.
Rog, kindly wrap up, please.
Okay. Sige, Mr. Chair.
Yes, so, si Michael yan, dumating sa atin, April 16, 2000, on board CX-919 as a temporary visitor. Nung next year naman, si Yang Jian Sin, si Mr. Tony Yang, arrived on June 12, 2001. Sakay ng PR-335. Kasama niya yung kanyang kapatid na si Yang Hongjiang. At na-issue siya ng SRRB Special Residence Retiree Visa noong November 6. Isipin nyo, November 6, 2007, inissuehan siya ng Special Resident Retirees Visa. Ilan taon siya ng 2007? Miss PBB.
请问这个2007年你的年龄多大了
？2007年我1970年出生的。
你的年龄多大
？70、80、90。
37 years old. O sige, okay na.
30
Okay na ka, Carol. 37 na kwenta ko na.
37
1970 siya. He was born 1970, di ba?
你是1970年。
34 nung siya ay inisyuhan ng...
37年。
70.
1970
siya, 37.
Yes, 37.
So we really need to amend this sa ating pong sino ba nag-i-issue ng SRRB? PRA? PRA, Philippine Retirement Authority. No, PRA, retirement eh. Di ba? Okay, next. Para mabilis na to. Punta tayo doon sa, kasi na-establish na naman natin siya, no? Yung pagiging Chinese niya, tapos Pilipino naman yung ginagamit niya mga government identification. So sa page 10, makita natin dyan, ano mo nga, nung November 6, 2007, Mr. Tony Yang, na-blacklist po kayo. Can you kindly ask, Carol, blacklisted siya noong 2006. Is that correct?
2006 or 7? 2006 or 7?
2006.
Okay. 请问这个2006年你是被那个移民局被拉黑吗？
Yes or no, Mr. Tony Yang? Blacklisted kayo 2006? Yes or no?
2006年被拉黑吗？
我没有印象啊，没有印象被拉黑。
I have no idea that I have been blacklisted.
Bureau of Immigration. Paki-check niyo yan. Ano muna, Zoom. He was blacklisted for holding a fake visa. And noong bumalik siya dito noong 2007, his blacklist order was lifted. Why? Tanong natin sa immigration. Bakit na-lift yung blacklist niya?
I don't have the copy with me here, Your Honor, but usually the subject probably complied with whatever deficiency that he had during that time.
Okay, thank you so much. Punta tayo sa page 12. Page 12, Mr. Tony Yang, during your interpellation doon po sa Senado, you may mention a name, a certain name na kaibigan mo. Ang sabi mo is, kaibigan ko si Mr. C. Correct? Naalala mo, Mr. Tony Yang, na sinabi mo sa Senado, kaibigan mo si C. Mr. C.
你有记得你在参议院说出的那个叫小喜的朋友吗？
有啊，小喜的有。
是你的朋友。
Siya ba si...
小喜是吧？
What is the name of that C? Mr. C.
他叫什么？这个小喜你知道吗？
小喜是不是在三家公司的那个小喜啊？
he's the 小喜 or the C from the 三家 company.
Siya ba si Tony C?
他也叫 Tony C 吗？
Tony 多利西，不，他不是叫多利西，那个小史是我知道他的姓，因为中国都称呼姓嘛。
Okay.
小史吧。
Sige nga ba. So, andito naman sa iyong LTO, sa driver's license mo, yung application mo, sinasabi mo na meron kang kaibigan na Mr. Tony C. So, you remember putting his name?
你还记得你在这个驾驶照有写上那个 Tony C 的名字吗？
我记不清楚。
I could not remember clearly.
Okay, you put it in your application but hindi mo siya natatandaan. Page ano na yun? Page 18. Dito makikita natin lahat ng company mo, Mr. Tony Yang. So you have like 7 companies under the SEC and 9 companies under DTI. Is this correct? Yes or no lang?
你看这个表里面，你在这个有7个注册的公司，然后你也有9个就是在交易部门的公司，你能确认吗？
Yes or no?
英文我不。
Lahat sa iyo yan.
I could not understand the English here.
Okay. Ayan, no? Chinese naman siya. Yes and pa. Yes and pa.
杨子公司。
Yangtze. New Hope Lore. Miss Orsan. Golden City. Sanjia. It's all yours, right?
都是你的公司吧？有三甲，还有杨泽，还有Cagayan。
O, pakita ko na lang yung ano. Pakita mo yung 819. Picture na lang para makita niya. Picture. 19. Page 19.
红姐那个很早的了。
Yeah, the Hongcheck is a very early company already.
138 is yours. AGL is yours. Mr. Tony, huwag mo na tingnan yan. Wala na yan.
这个138也是你的
So
吗？
138 is yours.
不是138。
AGL.
No, it's not. AGL.
不是。
Page 22. Meron ba kayong magkakasama ng Carol? Can you kindly tell him about a company that you, Michael Yang, and Hongjing Yang, and Mr. Tony Yang are all together in one company? Meron ba silang company na magkakasama silang tatlo? Kasi kanina sinabi niya wala eh. So wala silang financial transaction with his 2 brothers, no? So I'm asking him, meron ba silang magkakasamang tatlong magkakapatid sa isang kumpanya?
有没有跟你的弟弟 Michael 还有那个杨红景跟他们一起开的企业吗？
没有，我没跟他们开企业。
No, I don't have any company together
Okay,
with
ayan,
them.
sige. I-ano natin, i-move ano mo. Mr. Tony Yang, you are lying. You are lying. Nagsisinungaling ka. Sige, sumo nga yung kanilang company, Yesenfa Development Corporation. At pakikita ko kung saan yung company na yan. Ayan. Ayan. You are all together in one company, Yang Hongjiang, Yang Hongming, and Mr. Antonio Lim. Oh,
When was this?
The Yesenfa Development Corporation. Wait. Ako pa tinanong mo ngayon, ha? Sandali. Parang ako. Tinatanong ko lang kung meron siyang company ganyan. Hindi ko tinatanong kung kailan. No matter what, basta nasa SEC yan. Registered under his name. And his signature appears on that. Carol.
然后这个最主要就是已经注册的公司，然后你的名字也在里面，所以我们想要确认你是否跟他们你两个兄弟有跟他们一起开的企业吗？
没有，我没跟他们2个开企业。
So I never had a company with the 2 of them.
Amla, can you kindly asan ang Amla? Amla, can you kindly tell us kung meron kayo nakita ng transaction between Mr. Tony Ang and together with the 2 siblings? Yung kay Hongming Yang and Hongjiang Yang.
Sir, Your Honor, I beg your indulgence. Under Section 8A of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, we are prohibited from disclosing any information that we have acquired in the course of the performance of our function, Your Honor.
Okay, and that's the reason why we need to amend. Alam nyo, pati ang AMLA na dadamay sa mga kalokohang to eh. Sa totoo lang. Yung mga ganitong klaseng kalalaking pera, no? Na dapat nanonotify na ang government. Di ba? Ang daming malalaking pera na nakita namin eh. Pero these are not all reported. Why? We don't know. Pero we need to amend yung sa AMLA. Anyway, punta tayo sa page 27. Ito, hindi na makakapag-deny dito si Tony Yang. Mr. Tony Yang, stop lying. Ha? Stop lying. Last mo na yan. Huli na. Kapag nagsinungaling ka pa, we will be citing you in contempt. Believe me. Okay?
请不要说谎。
不会，不会，我不会说谎。
I will not lie.
Ha?
I will not lie.
Please po. Maki-cooperate na po kayo.
求求您了。
Okay. Next, ano? Okay. Yan, Mr. Tony Yang. That is yours. Misamis Oriental Sand and Gravel Corporation. You have a company beside your own company doon po sa Sanjia, which is located under the PBDEC. Correct? Yes or no?
这个就是Misamis Oriental 有这个沙子的公司，还有旁边就是你那个三甲的公司，这个三甲就是在 PBDEC 里面是吧？
是。
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, nireclaim mo ba ang property? Kumuha ka ba? Tanong mo.
有没有获得这个土地呢？有没有获得这个土地 ？Reclaim the property.
Reclaim. Kumuha ka ba ng permit sa PPA?
你从 PPA 获得这个许可证吗？
有。
Meron?
Yes.
Are you sure?
确定吗？
Submit to this committee that permit that you were able to get from PPA. And we'll be asking also the PPA to be present in the next hearing.
OK， 请把这个文件发给他们，关于这个 PPA 的许可。
yeah, pala. Philippine Reclamation Authority pala, PRA. Did you get a permit from PRA?
你从那个 PRA 有没有获得许可证呢？就是要获得这个土地的许可证，要开发这个土地的许可证。
有啊。
有
PPT 里面的那个许可证有啊。
You are under oath. You under oath.
He is mentioning about the PPT permit.
PPP.
PPT 吧
PPT.
Philippine.
是开发区吧？菲律宾那个
PPT 这个吗
？PPT 哦 PPT 吧
PPT. It's PPDEC, PBDEC. It's a
No,
PBDEC.
okay, sa PBDEC. Andiyan sa PBDEC natin. Can you kindly, during that time, sino ang head ng PBDEC?
那个时候 PBDEC 的他们的主人是谁？
Lavinia or Quintana?
那个
Quijana.
Lavinia 还有
Sino daw? Quijana or Lavinia? Quijano or Lavinia?
Lavinia 还是 Quijano？
当时好像是 Quijano。
Quijano. Mr.
好
Quijano.
像是 Quijano.
Administrator Quijano. Please sit on the Attorney Franklin Quijano. The company is Misamis Oriental Sand and Gravel Corporation. Beside his own company, the Sanjia. Mr. Quijano, did they apply for a permit from PBDEC? Is
Your
this a part
Honors.
of PBDEC, Attorney?
Your Honors, the whole 3,000 hectare property is part of PBDEC, and PBDEC includes 400 meters away from the shoreline. And therefore, that area, Your Honor, is part of PBDEC. Unfortunately, Your Honor, during my watch, I never issued any permit with any sand and gravel operator.
Okay. Mr. Tony Yang, ang sabi ni Attorney Quijano, no permit.
他说那个Quijano 律师说你没有获得这个许可证，在 PBDEC 的许可证。
No permit.
有啊，我们那里面是给他们租的啊，是给 给 PPT 里面租的啊。
Okay. So, I was renting at Phoebe Deck. So,
Hindi, iba ang renting, iba ang permit. In renting, Mr. Tony Yang, iba yung pag-upa, iba yung permit na ibibigay sa'yo. So kanina, Mr. Tony Yang, you were telling us that you secured the permit from PBDEG. Di ba? Sinabi mo. Ang sabi naman ni Atty. Quijano, wala kang kinukuha permit. So sino nagsisinungaling sa kanilang dalawa?
因为你刚才有说过，你有获得这个 Phoebe Deck 的许可证，对吧？
反正我们那片地就是给开发区租的啊，那个其他的都是我对这个也不懂，都是我们公司那个翻译东海。
Okay, while they're discussing, Atty. Quijano, there's no public hearing from the LGU on the operation of this corporation. No public hearing, no approval of DNR, no approval of the BOI.
As far as sand and gravel permits are concerned, Your Honor, PBDEC made it a point not to issue any sand and gravel permit to anyone.
But hindi natin to pinasara during your time.
However, Your Honor, the local government unit and the province of Misamis Oriental is the one having jurisdiction over the issuance of sand and gravel permits, Your Honor.
No. You were telling us a while ago that this is under your jurisdiction.
Well,
this is a part of the Philippine PBDEC, the Philippine what do you call it? Authority.
Philippine Veterans Investment Development Corporation.
So, being a part of the of your jurisdiction, you have the power to close it.
Your Honor,
if they haven't done any permit coming from you.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, there's an overlap.
What overlap?
In the case of the issuance of sand and gravel permits, the local government unit claims that they are the ones who are empowered to issue permits.
But you know the authority. Why did you not fight
Your
over
Honor,
it?
This is in fact one of the gaps because PBDEC is located within two municipalities, Taguluan and Villanueva, Your Honor. And it is for this reason that this representation was demanding from our engineering office to define thoroughly the river system, Your Honor, because we were worried that there is overdrawing of sand and that the embankments are endangered because of the permits that are being issued by the local government unit.
So while the two municipalities are fighting over who have the jurisdiction over this operation, the operator continue to operate. Is that what you are trying to tell us?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, yes, but not just this corporation we are referring to. There are also operators upstream who were drawing sand and gravel from the river.
Who have the same case?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what did you do?
Well, Your Honor, this is an issue of conflicts of law because even as we say that PBDEC, which is one of the first ecozone created through Presidential Decree 538, the subsequent passage of the local government code tended to create that conflict, Your Honor.
Anyway, we haven't read yet the power that was given to your authority, but we will, and we will continue the discussion about this, given the time that we will be able to be knowledgeable about it. Anyway, we'll go to the next page, 28. So we'll be inviting over also the DNR, the BOI, and the LGU, and the PRA for this matter. Mr. Tony Yang, nag-ooperate pa siya hanggang ngayon?
请问现在还在继续运营吗？这个公司？
有啊。
Yes, it's still continuously operating.
May mga nababayaran dito. Okay, page 28. Pakita natin yung ito yung operation nila. Na hanggang ngayon nag-ooperate pa without any permits, without any public hearing, to the detriment of those people who are living there. Yan. Okay, next page. Mr. Antonio Lim, dito sa inyong corporation na to, meron kayong isang kasosyo na ang pangalan ay Mr. Ricky Go. You know Mr. Ricky Go?
这边有说有一个股东叫做 Ricky Go， 你认识这个 Ricky Go 吗？
有啊，认识啊。
Yes, I know him.
Yes, Ricky Go. Pidea, can I ask Pidea about this certain Ricky Go? Pidea, we heard that there's an allegation that this guy is involved in illegal drugs. Is this true?
Your Honor, he is a person of interest, and we would like to request we would just like to request to submit a report instead, so as not to compromise the operations ongoing.
I understand. Okay. One, Mr. Tony Yang. This person, Mr. Ricky Go, is a person of interest of the PIDEA. I'm telling you, ha? Okay. Philippine Sangia Steel Corporation. Ito po ang Philippine Sangia Corporation. Ito pong Sangia Corporation ay under din ng PBDEC. Pakikita nga yung yung picture. And that is the facility noong Steel Corporation. And they have their own port, no? At yung kalapit, makikita nyo yung steel, yung kanilang sand and gravel. Meron din silang maliit na port doon. Pero dito, medyo malaki na yung port nila. And there are some instances that the PBDEC was able to what do you call that? Yes, they monitor a illegal transshipment of rice smuggling and drug smuggling. In a bit, we will be talking about it. But first, this area of 22.7 hectares is being leased by Mr. Tony Yang doon po sa PBDEC for a price of 30 pesos per square meter in an acceleration amount that runs up to 25 years. Is this correct, Mr. Yang? 25 years ang kontrata mo sa PBDEC.
请问这是对吗？你跟 PBDEC 的合同就是25年。
对啊，25年。
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sunod na slide tayo. So yan ang loob ng Steel Corporation. Okay? And allegedly, and no, not allegedly, but this is an operation of their steel manufacturing company that transship those metals going to that port. But in a little while, we'll be discussing why they put that place in a commercial port. So, ngayon, ito pong Mr. Yang, itong dalawang building na to, na nakikita natin, yung kulay gray, ano po yan?
The two gray.
Two buildings.
Okay, 请问这两栋楼他们是做什么的？
一栋楼是一楼办公，2楼、3楼是那个管理人员的住宿。
管理人员的住宿。Okay, so the first floor here is the office. Okay, and the second and third floor are the dormitory for the management officers.
How about the employees? How many employees do you have?
那一共有几个员工呢？
那个我就不大清楚了，就是另外那一栋是在。
How many Chinese lang ang tinatanong ko? Ang haba na sinasabi.
I'm not sure about how many they are.
What? Mr. Tony Yang, nagsisinungaling ka na naman eh. Ikaw yung may-ari ng ikaw may-ari nung Sangia Steel Corporation. As a matter of fact, pag titingnan mo, sige, punta tayo sa susunod na slide. Pakita ko sa iyo kung ilang percentage ang pag-aari mo dyan. Sunod na slide. Hindi. Ayan. Mr. Tony Yang, ikaw si Antonio Lim, 35% yung sa una. At dito sa huli na Chinese, An Jianxin, that is you. Jianxin Yang. That's you, correct?
最后那个杨坚新样，也就是你对吧？ Yes, that's me.
Oh, that's you also. So imagine.
Antonio Lim 是我那个菲律宾 菲律宾名字吧。
You have a 40% as a Chinese Jiangxing Metallurgical company, which is yours, and Antonio Lim with his 35%. 75% ang pag-aari mo dyan. Tapos sabihin mo sa amin, hindi mo alam kung ilang Chinese na nandun.
因为你看前面这个有这个 Antonio Lim， 就是你的菲律宾名字对吧？他就是占35%，然后那个中文名字那个杨建新，他是占40%，所以你一共有这个75%。
你有啊？里面我公司我就Antonio Lim的30%呀，杨建新。
Alright. Sige. Antonio Lim, we are telling you, ang dami mo ng pagsisinungaling dito. Ha? Last na to. Pag hindi ka pa nagsabi ng totoo, we will be citing you in contempt. Page 37. Is that your place?
这是你的公司吗？你是工
对，
厂。
这个我的仓库。
Yes, this is my warehouse.
Ikaw may-ari niyan.
对。
Paano ka nagkaroon ng may-ari niyan? Hindi ka naman Pilipino.
那你如何有这个地产呢？因为你不是菲律宾人啊。
因为我刚才就有说了，我来这边的时候，我爷爷就是有给我办一个菲律宾籍吧，叫Antonio Lim嘛，我就用Antonio Lim的，就是申请，就做这个营业执照跟这个买地开仓库啊。
Okay, so I use my Philippine birth certificate with the name Antonio Lim to be able to have this business permit and also to buy this piece of property.
Oh.
Unbelievable. Okay, yung susunod natin, no? Ito yung po nga kanilang ito po yung kanilang corporation, yung New Hope Flour Milling Corporation. Is that your house? Sige, go. Is that your house, Tony Lim?
这是你住的地方吗？
对，我住的地方。
Yes.
Yes.
LRA, andito pa ang LRA. We'll be tasking the LRA to find out all the properties under the name of Antonio Maestrado Lim. Please submit it to us. Comsec, kung walang LRA, please ask them to submit it to us in the next hearing. Next page. Dito po, Mr. Chairman, pakita po natin that yung involvement ng mga drug personality doon sa kanyang kumpanya na New Hope Flour Milling Corporation. Next na tayo dyan. Huwag na yan. Yan. Oh, no. Balik tayo doon sa GIS. GIS, one more. Hindi, no. GIS, balik. Page 38. Page 38, please. Mr. Tony Yang, doon sa New Hope Flour Milling Corporation, meron kang kasosyong Alan Lim, a.k.a. Wenxiong Lim.
请问在这个面轮公司，就是 New Hope 的公司，你有没有跟 Alan Lim 做股东呢？
Alan Lim
是林伟雄。
没有。
Wala na naman. Last na talaga to. I'll be citing you in contempt, Mr. Tony Yang.
他说什么？
如果你不说真相，他会再告你。
May kasosyo ka bang Alan Lim?
有没有
Doon sa New Hope Flour Milling Corporation.
有没有
Who is Wenxiong Lim?
Alan Lim 韦雄林的股东呢？
没有。
None.
Wala. O yan, pakita natin. Mr. Chairman, I'll be citing this person in contempt. Many times that he lied. Ang liwanag na maliwanag sa GIS, dyan sa corporation mo, sa Milling Corporation, Rice Milling Corporation, ayan si Alan Lim, kasosyo mo. Now, you see?
Alan Lim.
Mr. Chairman,
before that, maybe
Mr. Chairman, there are two personalities, drug personalities, that I mentioned that are included in the as incorporator of the two companies. And he lied twice. Alan Lim and Ricky Go, who are involved in drugs. Now, in front of us, he is lying. So, I think, Mr. Chairman, it's high time that we have given this guy a chance that we cite him in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
Before we cite him in contempt, Mr. Yang, Tony Yang, tanungin mo yung lawyer mo. Counsel, can you advise him? Can you please tell him that his name is in the GIS of the corporation mentioned?
你的名字就是这个公司里面那个资料里面，还有那个阿文林他们的名字也在这个文件里面那个资料里面，所以你没办法说这个不是你的股东，因为在他们公司里面，你有吗？你有没有看到这个文件呢？
我没看过这个文件。
你是跟他们是股东吗？这个安恩林还有利皮果，因为根据这个文件，他们说你是跟安恩林跟利皮果是一起的，是做股东的。
利皮果我有跟他沙场有股东，但是安恩林这个属于我不知道啊。你那个人是安恩林那边有。因为这个辩论场以前是
Chairman, I'll proceed muna para mabilis tayo, no? Habang sila nag-uusap ng lawyer nila. I'll go sa page 56. 56. Ito, Mr. Tony Ang. Tony Yang. Can you kindly tell me, andito kayo sa bahay, I don't know if this is your house, but I think this is your house. Dito sa left side, sino yung kalapit mo sa kanan mo? Yung may circle lang mukha.
OK， 在第一个图片呢，在你的右边的人有那个圈圈的是谁呀？
那个是以前那个第17的警察。
Sino siya?
阿弟，以前的阿弟。
RD.
Oh, RD.
He was the RT before.
RD. Sino siyang RD? General ano? Anong pangalan niya?
Aduyan o Aduyan ngayon.
Aduyan.
General Anduyan.
Anduyan, yeah.
Yung sino dyan? Yung nakasalamin o yung walang salamin?
是那个戴眼镜的还是没有戴？
General Anduyan.
戴眼镜的
Yes,
the one with the
yung
glasses.
nasa kaliwa, sino siya?
在左边 the left
Yes, on the left
picture.
side, please.
OK， 在左边的是谁呀？
现在看不大清楚。
现在看。
Yeah. So, kilala mo na, Tony Yang? Mr. Tony Yang?
I cannot see it clearly.
General Co-op. Is that the... Rings a bell? General Co-op?
Gerald Co-op， 你认识吗？
Co-op.
Alam mo, Mr. Tony Yang, kung nasa pelikula ka, best actor ka. Sa totoo lang. Galing, oh. Mr. Tony Yang.
Yeah, I think I know the name of Co-op.
Okay. Sige, okay na. So, I want to show a video, no, to our members of this committee, no, para makita natin kung anong klase ng personality meron po si, ano. Aside from nilalabag niya yung ating mga batas, binababoy din niya yung ating mga opisyales ng ating gobyerno. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil, because of this video na I will show it to you, Dahil nakita natin na yung kanyang ginagawang pang-abuso sa mga kababayan natin na nandito mismo sa ating bayan, samantalang sila ay mga banyaga. Di ba? Huwag natin hayaan na mga banyagang katulad nito ay ang alipin sa atin. They here to invade us. Believe us. Sige, show natin yan. Papasok siya dyan sa immigration. Makikita nyo na pagpasok niya, nag-red na siya, nagtuloy-tuloy pa siya. Wala siyang pakialam. Hindi niya nire-respeto ang ating mga immigration officer. Why? We don't know. He established a lot of pakikisama to all those people. Basically, we Filipinos have something also to be regretful. Kasi, pinababayaan natin na tayo ay babuyin ng mga banyagang katulad nito. And for this reason, Mr. Chairman, I move that we cite this person in contempt.
Second, there is a motion to cite Mr. Tony Yang in contempt for violating Section 11 of the Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Yang, you are now cited in contempt.
你现在已经被告这个污蔑我们这个听证会，污蔑我们这些政府的官员。
我真的不知道那个人，真的不知道。
I really don't know the person.
Mr. Chair, I make a motion that he be detained at the Quezon City Jail.
One
move,
minute.
Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain Mr. Tony Yang at the
Mr. Chair, until this hearing has been finalized and completed.
there is a motion to detain Mr. Tony Yang until the committee terminates its hearings on the said subject of illegal pogos. Any second? Duly seconded. Hearing no objections, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Akop.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
Before the Sergeant at Arms takes over the person of Mr. Yang, kasi meron po akong concern dito sa mga nahuli sa kanya nung siya, o nakita sa kanya nung nahuli siya Kasi this pertains to firearms licenses and license to carry firearms outside. Totoo ba na may mga licenses na nakuha sa kanya to possess firearms and to carry them outside?
Yes, Your Honor. He had a LTAP and a permit to carry IDs when we arrested him.
For how many firearms?
Upon checking with the Firearms and Explosives Office, only for one, Mr. Chair.
Yung lisensya niya for one firearm?
Yes, sir. No. I wasn't able to check the type, but the firearm registration is good for one. We were able to validate that with FEO. There is only one name, one firearm to his name, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, since this is the last meeting of or last hearing of the Quadcom for this season, siguro ito tatanungin ko na dun sa Philippine National Police after or in the next hearing, whether it is during our break or after our break. The other issue that I would like to start, Mr. Chair, is that I think Commissioner Morente is here.
I am, Your Honor.
Yes, and during the pandemic, you were the Commissioner of the Bureau of Immigration. Tama po ba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. And there are reports that the Bureau of Immigration conducted raids on Pogos during that period. Would that be correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
That's correct. Mr. Chair, we would take that up in the next hearing. And may I be allowed to make a manifestation, Mr. Chair, kasi gabi na eh. Mr. Chair, may I be allowed? Magmamanifest lang ako.
Sorry, Your Honor. May I ask that you repeat again your
May
question?
I have the opportunity to make my manifestation kasi gabi na po, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would just like to express my gratitude to my co-members of the committee for finding time to conduct this hearing kasi bakasyon na dapat tayo nung Wednesday pa. So maraming pong salamat sa inyo. Pero meron lang po akong na-observe kanina. Nagsisinyasan na naman si Honorable Fernandez at saka si Madam Cassandra Ong. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ganon. Sabi naman ni Madam Cassandra Ong, ganon. Tapos gusto pa niyang kunin yung aking sandwich, ibibigay doon kay Madam Cassandra Ong. Sabi ko, bakit isa lang bibigyan mo? So binigyan din niya si Madam Alice Go ng sandwich. Sabi ko naman, baka magselos si Mayor Dong Kalugay. Pumunta ako doon sa kitchen, pakibigyan nyo nga ng sandwich si Mayor Kalugay kasi baka magselos. So Mr. Chair, marami pong salamat sa opportunity na binigay nyo sa akin.